Hey, I'm Shawna Coronado, and I'm so excited to be here at the garden, and you can learn more about me at shawnacoronado.com. And I'm an author. I've written 6 books on gardening and wellness and growing. And I just got asked the big question, what was it like when I was a kid, like when I was 12 or 13 years old? What did I do, and how was I inspired by gardening? So I grew up in a farm in Indiana. And one of the things about gardening that I hated is we had this giant strawberry patch. And I had to pick it, like in June, it would go for 4 hours every single day of June. I would be picking strawberries. And when I said, when I grow up, I'm never gardening. It's horrible. And of course, what I learned was that I learned how to garden when I was a kid. And I learned that gardening is the most important thing of my entire life. That it gives me healthy food. That's really, really important. But it also helps you stay healthy over the years. Lots of people I know have got, like, they're only in their 20s or their 30s, and they feel old and they don't have good health. By gardening regularly, you feel better, you work outside, that gives you a lot of good feeling, and of course you eat good food, which is really, really important. So my big mission is that I want everyone to have better wellness. And I have severe degenerative osteoarthritis. It's not something that could have been prevented. It's up in my spine. There is no cure. And so what I discovered by eating a healthy diet, I don't eat grains or dairy, I just eat a lot of vegetables and meats and eggs, things like that. By doing that, I have reduced my chronic pain by 80%, and I don't use any pills or medication. And so that's my inspiration. That's what I want more people to be doing, is thinking about, you don't have to have heavy drugs, and you don't have to use drugs at all. If you can find a way to eat that will help you feel better every day.